February 16, 6:30. So I've decided to cook pad thai today. My wife has been wanting to have pad thai, something that we ate often. Wow. Hello. Look like nice carving. Anyway, back to pad thai. It's something that we ate quite a bit while living in Toronto. So it's one of those dish that we enjoy. So early in the morning like this, people are waking up, getting ready for church. So it's quiet. So they're cleaning up the area now. No more Santa. Christmas season is over. So I'm going to the farmers market, otherwise known as bagsakan. Bagsakan is a word that means dropping things off, the produce and things. So bagsakan. So we're passing the police station here. So this is the police station. So this is the new legislative building. It's almost finished. Maybe they'll open this year. And this is the new revised Court of Justice. And maybe they'll be finishing this year too. We'll see how it goes. So. Oh, so the Hall of Justice. Target date is August 2025. They started, well, actually they started recently. So. I'm here to get some shrimp and things. Okay. Panay fresh na gito ya. So these are the pad thai from Lazada. I can't remember how much each. The main thing that I was looking at is the content. So the sauce and noodles is 160 grams or 5.64 ounce. So I'll be cooking maybe 4 serving today. The instruction how to prepare pad thai is at the back of the package or the packaging. So that's how you do it. So I've cooked this before, so it'll be a quick affair. So these are the ingredients. You got the shrimp, bean sprout, onions, tofu, eggs, and the noodles are soaking. It should be warm. I'll warm it up later. I'm just gonna prep all of these. Now I'm going to clean the shrimp. This is way too much, so I'm just gonna use half of it. So the preparation is done. So cut up the tofu, the onions. I don't have shallot, and you have to wash these. These bean sprout here locally, they're skinny. They're not the same as what we use in North America, so skinny. The shrimp, the sauce has to be dissolved in egg. I'm somewhat cooking the pad thai because it's still a little bit tough. So the instruction says warm it up for 5 minutes. Well, my family complained that it's just too hard to bite into the noodles. It's mainly because of the heat. If you're cooking pad thai, the pan has to be really hot so that it quickly cook the the noodles. In this case, I have to boil it like a spaghetti. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. So I'm heating up the wok. I really like the wok to be hot, so this cooking will be done in 10 minutes. We'll see how that goes. So the hotter the wok, the faster the cooking. The first one to go is the onions, and then the tofu. In this case, it's irrelevant. Just dump the whole thing into the wok. So there's a tendency for because I made the oil hot and I'm using palm oil. It's really burning. So anyway, there goes. Put the onions and tofu aside and then add the shrimp. Then adding shrimp. I'll just put the whole thing. And just let it cook. Having a hot wok, the shrimp would have cooked almost instantaneously. Now, because like this, the wok is cold, the juices from the shrimp tend to come out, and that's what it does. Oh well, that's how it works. I have to remove the juices out of there so that I can cook the egg. So I'm gonna cook the egg. I cooked the eggs and then added the bean sprout. So it's almost ready to be served. I've added the noodles and then the sauce on top of the noodles, and I'm just gonna stir it around for the thing to be mixed fully. Because because the portion is quite a few, 4 portion, and because the wok is not hot, the liquid is not it's not bubbling quick enough for it how you say, it's like adding a flour. The liquid is not thickening fast enough, so that's how it works. I mean, but if we had the proper wok and fire, it would be done quick. This is slow. So the thickening agent for the liquid is slowly getting there. For it to be really good, the sauce should be thick, not runny like this right now. So when it's ready, the sauce should be covering the entire noodles. However, right now it's just the way it is. So it's cooked. The liquid is thick enough, so I'm just gonna add the final bean sprout. So yeah, it's done. We're also going to cook squid today. You only need ginger. Ginger goes well with squid. So clean it up, remove the whatever you call this, the heads, clean the inside, cut it into this. And the first thing we're going to do is boil it. You want to do that to retain moisture. So because the second process is to fry the squid. So we're going to boil the water. I've added salt and then the ginger. So once it's boiling, I'll add the squid. So the squid is slowly added so that the water heat, the heat of the water is retained. So I'm just going to wait for it to boil and then take the squid and put it into this pan to allow the water to settle, and then I'll fry it after. You don't want to fry water. It doesn't take long to cook squid. I mean, squid is mainly water, so that's why when you're frying it, it tends to have the water come out quickly. So I wish I had a hot wok. Anyway, it's just a method to cook it and then fry it quickly, and then it's done. Yeah, you gotta make the wok hot. I like the wok hot. So this cooking the squid should be fairly quick since the squid is already cooked. I've added a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of pepper. There, it's pretty much done. So it's tasty. Thanks for watching.